Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I forgot to hit record. Oh well. We'll see what the time slip says here in a second. We'll see what the time slip says. '23 completely bone stock F150 two-wheel drive, 331 gears with a locker. Awesome run. All right, appreciate it. A little bit slower than the last one, but hey, it's still a fast number. Reaction time 0.0652, 218 60 foot. 1/8 mile at a 886, quarter mile 1358 at 103. They don't get any better than that. Completely bone stock truck. I'll show the time slip here in a second. It don't get any better than that. Let me show you.
Lost a little.
Let me show you what it does. Again, completely bone stock truck, stock tires, everything, nothing done to it, no tune, nothing. 2023 model, 5 liter. That'll do it.